Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can keyframe audio in Davinci Resolve 18. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go up and then click on File. After that, go ahead and click on Import and then click on Media. You can also go there by clicking on Control plus I on your keyboard. Go ahead and click on media and then search for the video that you want to add to your project. So for example, this one. And then in order to add it to the timeline, grab it and then hold it right here. And as you can see, guys, the video is added to the timeline. So what you need to do, guys, right now in order to set keyframes is go to edit. And then as you can see, guys, you're going to see this nice timeline where you're going to find the image and the audio. So you can click on the audio. And then as you can see, guys, right here, if you come here to the middle, you're going to find this option. So if you hold your left click, you can either increase the volume or decrease the volume. So right now, go ahead and set this to the point where you want to make an keyframe, and then go ahead and click on Inspector. And right here next to Volume, we're gonna find this little button. Go ahead and click on it, and as you can see, guys, a keyframe has been added right here. You can also set on another one by clicking like this. And as you can see, guys, now we've added two keyframes. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.